father's best friend. He taps and taps for hours on end. Words I do not understand. Typewriter, typewriter. He says it's poetry, it matters much. He hardly looks, barely speaks. He taps and taps, does not see me. He says he's a poet, it's what poets do. Sometimes I listen, try to read too. He tells me about Shakespeare, about Longley and Keats. But I just want bedtime stories before I fall